Welcome back to the channel. I'm shouting from Hey Studio. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use 8 of the new features from Procreate 5X in your digital calligraphy artworks. The first feature is snapping. I'm really thankful for this new feature because previously, layers can't snap perfectly to the center or sides of the canvas, which can be pretty frustrating for perfectionists who want to center their layers. To turn on snapping, tap on Transform, then Snapping and toggle it on. Now you can snap the layer to the center according to these orange guidelines. You can also align it to the left, right, top and bottom. The next new feature is PaletteCapture. I'm sure we have all been there. We found a pretty picture or photo and we want to use those colors for our calligraphy. Previously, we would have to import the picture and then use the eyedropper tool to capture the colors we want into a color palette one by one. Now we can simply go to Palettes and then select New from Photos, and Procreate will automatically create a color palette from the photo we selected. Also along the theme of colors, the third feature is SwatchDrop. In the previous versions of Procreate, we can drag and drop the current color to fill the entire layer. In Procreate 5X, with the color palettes open, we can drag and drop a swatch and fill the entire layer with that color. It's definitely more efficient and convenient. Procreate 5X comes with several new adjustments and filters. The first one I'm showing you is Gradient Map. Gradient Map is a fun way to change the colors on your calligraphy, and it's highly customizable. There are a couple of built-in gradients in the library already, but you can tap on the plus sign to create your own color scheme. You can tap on the gradient and then adjust the sliders to achieve different effects. The next one is a fun filter called Bloom. Once you have selected this filter, you will be able to choose from Layer to apply this effect to the entire layer, or Pencil to selectively apply this effect according to where you place the pencil. Here I have chosen Layer, and this effect adds a nice glow to your calligraphy and lettering. Another new addition is the glitch effect. Tap on Glitch and select Layer. There are 4 variations and you can play around with them to see which one fits your calligraphy. have chosen the wave option, which makes the calligraphy look more whimsical and wispy. The next filter is Halftone. Once you have selected it, you will see 3 variations. Again, feel free to play around with the effects and percentage to see which one fits your work. And lastly, we have Chromatic Aberration. The chromatic filter has been pretty trendy recently. In this filter, there are 2 variations, perspective and displace. Again, there are quite a few options and sliders to play around with until you are happy with the effect. And that is it for today's video. Let me know which new feature is your favorite in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video.